Hey everybody, we're going to work on live streaming a Zoom meeting to YouTube for a virtual promotion ceremony. Now this assumes that you've already enabled live streaming in your YouTube account. So if you haven't done that, then check the description of this YouTube video for a link about how to do that. So you're going to sign into Zoom first of all. And once you're signed in, then over on the left, you're going to go to Settings. Click on Settings, and then the setting that you want is way down. You have to scroll way down, or you can click on In Meeting Advanced, and that takes you down there. And basically, you're looking for live streaming, something like that. I can't remember exactly what it is. There it is. Allow live streaming settings. Toggle that on, and then you need Custom Live Streaming Service checked. Make sure that one is checked, and then just go ahead and check YouTube also. Okay, so now we're going to create a live stream event in YouTube. So we're at youtube.com and we want to go to create. That is the little video camera icon on the top right with the plus sign. Click on that and click on Go Live. So click on Go Live. And then we're going to see the settings window for a new stream. Now it's possible that you might not see this. So I've been seeing this page a lot, and if you see that, that's for the classic stream page. If you're there, then you want to move up here to the stream page so that you can get that window. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a title: our virtual promotion ceremony. And instead of public, we want unlisted. That means that only people with the link will be able to view this, and that's to protect the privacy of your students. That's really the best option for this promotion ceremony. Then recommended that you add a description, but I'm going to skip that for now, and I'll let you take care of that. Then let's schedule this for later. So maybe you want this for a later day. I'm just going to go ahead and go with about 5 minutes from now so that we can show you how this works. And then it's a good idea if you've got a thumbnail that you can upload. That's something that your viewers will see before the event has started. So I actually have something here. I'm going to put that in. And then under the question, is this video made for kids? Answer, yes, it is made for kids, and that will disable live chat and it will disable ads. So that's a good choice for this virtual promotion ceremony. And then go ahead and click on Create Stream. Now, once you've done that, then you're going to get this stream settings page here, and you've got a lot of information on here and some options. You really don't need to do anything with the options, but you do need 3 pieces of information on this page. You're going to need the stream key, which is right here, the stream URL, which is right here, and if you click on this arrow here, the share arrow, you're also going to need that URL. That's the shareable URL that you are going to give to your school community, anyone that is viewing this ceremony. Okay, so you're going to need those 3 pieces of information. So it's a good idea to copy them and then paste them in a separate document. So I've actually got a Google Doc here, and I'm going to copy all of those over here. So remember that we need that stream key right here. So I just want to look at that, see what that looks like. Copy that, and then I'm going to, over in my Google Doc, I'll put in the stream key and paste that. And I noticed that that just changed that to a capital X there. So I'm going to change that back to lower case. And then we're going to need the stream URL. So I'm going to copy that, paste it, and then remember we need to click on this share arrow here and grab that shareable URL. That's what we're going to give to our community. Copy that. We can call that, I don't know actually what you call that, what the official name is, but I'm going to call it shareable URL. And then paste that. Okay, so that's all of the information that we need. So now let's go ahead and see what it looks like when we're going to start a Zoom meeting. Okay, so I'm going to go to Zoom and start a new meeting. And there's me, and I'm going to go through all the things that I would normally do when I'm in a Zoom meeting. And then down below, we've got this more icon here. Click on that, and then you want live on custom live streaming service. That's what you just set up your custom event. Okay, so click on that, and then it's going to open up. I'm just going to minimize this window here. Then you've got this, it opened up this page here where you need to put in 3 pieces of information. And remember, we've got our 3 pieces of information here. So you need to make sure that these match and go into the right place. So streaming URL, that looks like that's actually the second piece of information. So I'm going to copy that and put that up there. And then the streaming key, that's up here. Paste that there. And then the live streaming page URL, that's that shareable URL. That's what we're giving to the community. Okay, and then we click on Go Live, and we're preparing to live stream the meeting. And it takes just a couple of seconds there, but just so you know, this does not actually start your live stream. It just has you set up. Everything is connected now. Okay, so this just went to the YouTube page where people would be, you know, a couple minutes before they're waiting for the event to start, and then you can see there's a countdown and it's about to start in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so to actually start your stream of your Zoom meeting, you are going to need to go back to the YouTube stream page where you were before. Okay, and you're going to want to click on Go Live. Now it's not ready yet. It takes a few seconds to get ready. So you're waiting for that to turn blue. Okay, so we're just waiting for that setup to actually work. And there it is right now. Okay, so now it says, looks like you're ready. Click here to start streaming. Now you can see that there's a preview here, and you can see that there's my actual live Zoom meeting here. And you notice that those don't actually match up. That's because there's about a 15-second delay. Okay, so that's me live, and then this is what the live stream will look like. So once I click on Go Live here, then this is actually going to connect to the Zoom meeting and start streaming. But remember, there's that 15 or so second delay. Okay, so once you go back to your YouTube page, then you're just going to be waiting for that to start. And it should be starting in just a few seconds. So we'll just wait on that. And there it goes. And then you can see there I am talking, and there's that delay there. So if you're just getting set up, getting ready, then that can get confusing there. So you might just want to stop that there. I'm going to stop it. Okay. All right. So now there's everything going on. And when you're ready to, you would just go to your Zoom meeting. So I'm going to open up that Zoom window again, and then you can start what you're doing. You can have the speakers start to speak, or you can do share screen, and you can play your slideshow, whatever it is that you are doing for your ceremony. And when you're ready to end, then you can disconnect the Zoom meeting by clicking here and then stopping the live stream. So that stops that, and then actually ending the YouTube stream, you would click on End Stream here. Okay? And then that's it. So we end the stream, event's over. And with those default settings, it should be should have made a recording. So you can go to your YouTube studio there, go to your videos, and click on Live. And then you can see this is actually a live replay recording of the whole event there. And you can share that with your community as well. So you can just get like a shareable link for that. Okay, it's basically a recording of what you did. So that is how you set up and start your Zoom YouTube live stream.